Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Windows 11 Action Center or Quick Settings menu if it is not opening when you click on it. First, we'll restart Windows Explorer. This process controls many parts of the Windows interface, including the taskbar and system menus. Right-click the taskbar and open Task Manager. In the Processes tab, scroll down until you find Windows Explorer. Right-click it and select Restart. Your screen may briefly flicker while Windows refreshes the interface. If the Action Center still does not open, the next step is to repair any corrupted Windows system files. Press the Windows key, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type the following command and press Enter: dsm/online/cleanup-image/restore health. This tool checks the Windows image and downloads replacement files if any system components are damaged. The scan may take several minutes, so wait until it reaches 100%. After it finishes, type the next command and press Enter: sfc/scano. The system file checker will scan Windows for corrupted or missing files and automatically repair them when possible. Once the scan is complete, restart your computer. Thanks for watching.